Guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm going to show you guys I'm harvesting my speckled bottle gourd, also known as in the Caribbean the Guyanese squash. These things are these things are well known to grow massive. They grow fast. The plants take a little longer time to grow, but once they start growing, guys, I'm telling you, they grow really well. So these bottle gourd are a little different when harvest time. As you could see, the tendril really don't get any brown, or the leaf don't get brown or anything like that. The leaf is actually perfect green. This tendril is perfect green, so it's really hard to tell from. You don't have no kind of sign or indication that it's ready to harvest. The only sign is when it's pretty big, but then when you turn it over and you got that white spot coming up there. So that white spot right there, guys, that's perfect. That's perfect time to harvest. Even though if it grows more and is a bigger white spot, it's still delicious, guys. You could cut all the way to the tip here, or you could cut halfway. I normally I'll cut like 2 inch like that. So this is one. So it's really massive, guys. This thing is massive. Like you see my hand on it, it's really massive. So this is our first one. Sorry about the sunlight. If you guys look right here, that's the second one coming up. So we're just gonna cut them halfway. As you can see, the white on the bottom. So we're gonna move on to our third one. He's right here. Some of them, oh my God, I could barely lift this thing. We got 3, and then so I have 2 of these guys right next to each other. So clip. They're really easy to harvest, but you do got to keep a track on them, because once they start grow, they get really big, guys. And then save the big one for last. Oh my God, I'm telling you guys, this is a monster. All right, so I put them right next to each other. Hopefully you guys could see. Gonna stand back. So as you could see, the bottom don't even get white. It don't really get that much. Even if it large, this one have some more white spot, but still it's not gonna tell you it's ready to harvest. So the only way is to tell you guys, flip this one around, is that white spot right there. That's the indication. So this is the plant leaves right here, and as you guys could see, this is a little small one right here. So you got to make sure you got bees to pollinate it, or you got to hand pollinate this, guys, because sometimes they don't pollinate. The bees don't pollinate it, so they will grow from this small to that big right there, guys. You could peel the skin if you're gonna stir fry. Take out the seed inside. If you're gonna grill it, I normally leave the skin on, just take the seed and toss it on the grill. I have the indoor grill too. Oh, it's delicious. It cooks really fast on the grill. So I'm definitely going to share some with our neighbors and friends around, so everyone could taste this delicious gourd. And even my pet pig will have some. And I cut up, even like if it's extra, I normally cut up some and then put it in the airtight freezer bag, so it'll stay for a long time. And if you guys are growing your own bottle gourd, you could always, when you cut it, save the seed. There's a lot of seed in here, guys. Alright, so thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden, and I just wanted to show you guys my harvest of the speckled bottle gourd. And these guys are beautiful. Just looking at the colors and everything is amazing, guys.